Yeah, okay. Okay. Okay, court is in session. When the court is in session, it calls number 331116. The case is styled the State of Texas versus Jonathan Alvarado. Alvarenga is his last name. With your middle name?
Oh, Abelardo.
Okay. Alvarado.
I call him John,
Okay.
and he
Now,
always
is,
answers to it.
okay, is that your full name?
Yes.
Okay, how you doing, Mr. Alvarenga?
Myself.
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Mr. Alvarenga, you're here represented by your attorney, Attorney James Paget. Attorney Paget, how you doing?
Doing well, Your Honor.
That's good. Mr. Paget, what is your announcement in Mr. Alvarenga's case?
Your Honor, this case will go on your plea docket. We had applied for pretrial diversion. For one reason or another, it was not accepted. Therefore, I've negotiated with Mr. Coleman, who has offered a 12 months deferred, $200 fine, and 30 hours community service. If you would put this on your plea docket, I would like to run this by.
Okay.
him and let him
You
look
just
at
need
a
some
couple
time?
of things. And, well, I don't need much time, just a standard reset, and we'll dispose of it. I
Okay,
just don't want to hit him with this without first sitting down with him and
okay,
reviewing, because we were certain that he was going to be accepted into the one program, but so I just negotiated this alternative with Mr. Coleman this morning,
okay,
which we're pleased with it. Just
okay. What about if the case is reset to June 8th?
whatever pleases the court.
Is that
Oh,
sufficient?
yeah, yeah. He's,
Oh, it's on a plea document?
yeah, I have no trouble getting a hold of Mr.
May 16th? Okay. Okay, the case is gonna be reset to May 16th.
That's fine, Your Honor. That's, I have no trouble communicating with him.
Okay, now, Mr. Alvarenga, your case is being reset to May 16th. Your attorney is gonna sign for your reset. Once you get your reset, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day.
Thank you.
Mr.
Okay, so.
Paget? May 16th. Once we have Alvarenga. Next case. Oh.
Yes, ma'am. Anything for you? Thank you.
Okay, our next case is cause number 331362. Case is styled State of Texas versus Nicholas Devontae Eaglin. Mr. Eaglin, would you please come forward? Mr. Eaglin, your full name is Nicholas Devontae Eaglin?
Yes, sir.
How you doing, Mr. Eaglin? I'm doing fine. Mr. Eaglin, you're here represented by your attorney, Mr. Paget. Mr. Paget, what's your announcement in Mr. Eaglin's case?
Your Honor, back on 2/17, Mr. Eaglin hired me. At that time, I filed a motion for discovery, a letter of representation, and I also applied for a pretrial diversion program for Mr. Eaglin. I just received
Yeah, he was
information that he
approved.
was accepted.
Yeah.
I have not been able to reach Mr. Eaglin since 2/17 of 2022. I made numerous attempts by telephone, by text. My intentions are to file a motion to withdraw on the case. And of course, once I file that, I just wanted to do it on the record here to let you know what my intentions were. I understand we'll have to have a hearing. So this is the first time I've seen him in 2 months, and I don't know why, but I've made numerous attempts to reach him by phone and by text.
So you need,
So if you would allow me just time to file the motion to withdraw, maybe during that time, if Mr. Eaglin wanted to, he could contact me, because he's going to have an attorney to do the pretrial diversion contract signing. So he's already paid me some money. I would think it might be a good idea for him to at least discuss it with me, right? You know, and maybe he will. And I'll continue my efforts at least through the end of this week to reach him. And then my intentions are to file a motion to withdraw.
okay, what is your, how much time you need to file your motion?
If you would
withdraw?
allow 30 days for that, Your Honor.
Okay,
I believe the pretrial signing date anyway is.
what's the motion? I mean,
who said it's,
May 16th? That's gonna be an announcement?
Yeah, it's June, right? So the signing date's
June.
But of course, I'll want to file my motion well in advance of that.
Oh, yeah, I don't think she's sitting with you, with
Okay.
the pretrial diversion. I think she's just trying to give us our standard reset date for.
No problem, Your Honor. Whatever.
So
pleases the
your
court.
case is gonna be reset to June 8th. Give you an opportunity to file your motion to withdraw.
Absolutely.
you can get your reset, and Mr. Eaglin, you can,
Well, I'm obviously I'm still his attorney, so I'll go ahead and sign this for you, and then we'll step outside and talk for a moment. Okay. And just what I just told the judge, I'll go back and with you.
Okay.
Is that fair? Okay.
all right,
Thank you.
yeah,
Thank you.
all right, yeah, have a blessed day.
All right. Thank you.
Hit the road.
I'm standing 10 feet from him. I tried to, if I could have grabbed him, I would have.